Hello and welcome to this new session. In this session, we are going to learn the grouping function in pivot tables. Whenever you are dealing with a data set which has got some dates, okay, the grouping function in pivot tables comes very handy. Now, for instance, I have certain dates, okay, on which certain product I had in inventory or which is sold. Okay, these were the products which I had in my inventory and it was sold by an executive at certain cost and certain price and earned, okay, this amount of commission. So if you just have a look at the dates, the kind of dates I have, the dates vary from, you know, May, okay, I have May and June. So, whenever you have this data which has got certain dates, then this grouping function comes very handy when you would like to group the dates as per, the month or maybe year or week or quarterly. So that function becomes quite handy to make some summarized reports. So going ahead, let us start our pivot tables. Go to insert, click on pivot table, make a new worksheet. I say okay, so this is your pivot table interface. Now let us say I need the commission earned on each date, let us say. So I make a small little table like this. Now just see what happens. The moment I drag and drop date, just see, boom, what it happens is it automatically groups my dates into months and date. Okay, so for the time being I just remove the month, I just keep the dates. Okay, now I need the commission in values. So this is how your table looks like. So on each date the commission earned by me is displayed over here. Now if I want to group them on my own, okay, I just wanted to show you the options. Excel automatically does many things. It's a powerhouse of calculations. Okay. Now just click on any date, make a right click. You get an option for group. Okay. Now I click. Okay. Now you have starting date, ending date. Fine. So I want to group them, let us say month wise. Okay. Not days. So just deselect days, just months. You say okay and boom. In the month of May, the sum of commission earned is 364.56. In the month of June, the total commission earned is 338.4. Isn't that an interesting option? Okay. So this is how you use the grouping option in pivot tables to group dates. Hope you have learned a new thing. Hope you have found it interesting and informative. Do like, share and subscribe. Spread the good word. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.